Showbiz fanatics, finally, Alden Richards sinagot ang isang tanong na gusto ninyong malaman patungkol sa Katden. Ang lahat ng yan, but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, nais ko po muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga legit viewers, subscribers at ang lahat ng mga legit na nagmamahal at sumusubaybay sa lahat ng ating mga updates. Maraming salamat po. And for today's video, ito na nga, hayaan nyo na i-tour ko kayo kahit sa video lang kung ano po yung bahay nitong si Catherine. Catherine Bernardo has finally opened the doors to her long-awaited dream home in Antipolo City, Rizal. On Thursday, April 11, 2024, the Kapamilya actress and her family threw a delightful and heartwarming bash joined by their nearest and dearest friends. Guests were treated on an insider's look of Catherine's new residence, with a few of them even sharing sneak peek of the interior of their home. 7-year journey for Catherine before her dream home became reality. She acquired the land of her new residence back in 2016, but the construction didn't commence until March 2024, following 3 years of meticulous planning. Catherine enlisted the expertise of architect Don Lino and his from Lino Architecture to craft the blueprint of her new abode. According to social media updates, Catherine residence boasts a modern contemporary design accentuated by earthly tones, reflecting the architectural firm signature aesthetic. Catherine actually moved into her new home in December 2023. In an Instagram story, she shared a glimpse of herself organizing her closet with the assistance of Alora Sasam, Isa Reyes, and her team at The Knit Obsession. Here's a quick tour Catherine Bernardo's new home as seen from social media updates of her housewarming party guests. And upon stepping on Catherine's real estate, visitors are greeted by a spacious driveway adorned with the abundance of greenery, creating a refreshing and welcoming ambience. Within Catherine's home lies a treasure trove of stunning artworks, transforming it into a mini museum of sorts. Catherine commissioned a contemporary visual artist Jingoy Buensuseco to craft remarkable sculpture for her home, including one prominently displayed at the entrance door. So, very excited nga ang lahat para po sa yung tinatawag na exclusively na itutour tayo ni Miss Catherine Bernardo using her YouTube account sa kanya pong Malapalasyo at Malapmansyon na bahay. Kasi sabi nga, it took 7 years bago po niya na ma-fulfill yung kanyang dream sa makapagpatayo ng isang malaking bahay para po sa kanyang pamilya. And this is really very exciting dahil nakahanda na rin. Parang nakita natin na may hawak na camera itong si Catherine para po i-tour tayo sa napakaganda niyang bahay. So, lahat nga po dito ay talagang detalyado. After po bago po gawin to, sinabi niya na si Catherine daw po mismo ang nagsisearch sa Pinterest. Yan, sila po yung nagsisearch dyan kung ano po yung gusto niyang mangyari dito po sa kanyang sariling bahay. And this time, let's talk about this one. Kasi meron po kasing mga nagtatanong dahil itong si Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo nga ay talagang hindi po uma-absent sa lahat po ng mga events na meron po ang dalawang ito. There is an ongoing speculation about Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo. Some say Alden is already making the moves on Daniel Padilla's ex. Other maintain they are already an item. Talks started with Alden being cited almost regularly by Catherine's side. Kasi nga, di ba, parang lagi pong present talaga si Alden sa buhay ngayon ni Miss Catherine. He was present at Catherine's birthday bash in Palawan not long ago. He also made an appearance at a surprise post-birthday party for the actress as organized by her mom. Just recently, Alden was again spotted being cozy with Catherine during her housewarming party. What gives? Sabi niya ganon. Ano ba talaga? Ang lahat ba ng ito ay para lang sa show? Is it all just for the show? Kasi marami po kasi 'di ba ang talagang nagkukumpirma that this coming August ay mangyayari na nga po ang Hello Love Goodbye Part 2, kanilang taping sa Canada. Marami na po nagkonfirma niyan, pero meron din pong mga parang hindi pa rin naniniwala hanggang sa ngayon. So ang tanong po ng maraming mga fans, yun daw bang ginagawa ni Alden Richards kay Kathryn Bernardo is dahil meron silang upcoming projects? So the two after all made history at the deals with Hello Love Goodbye, becoming at one point the highest grossing Filipino film of all time, leading some to assume that seeming closeness is mere gimmick, publicity stunt meant to fuel public interest. So yun po yung sinasabi ng ilan, no, na parang ginagawa nila yon dahil ito po daw ay isang gimmick lang. Ito po ay para po talagang i-fuel yung interest ng mga manonood at mga followers po nila. But is it? Both are silent about the real score between them. In a recent interview with 24 Oras, Alden made clear his intention to keep things between him and Kathryn on the down low. He said, what you see is what you get. Hindi lang din talaga kailangan laging ipamalita sa social media yung mga ganyan. You know, sometimes yung may mga personal things that happenings better be a personal na lang. As to him being present in all of A Very Good Girl star recent happening, he said, simply I was invited. And how was it? Masaya naman, he added. Masaya naman yung naging experience, and you can see how happy Kat is right now. So, sa lahat po ng mga speculation at sa lahat ng mga katanungan ng maraming mga fans kay Kathryn Bernardo and Alden Richards, isa lang ang naisagot niya. He make it a point that Kathryn Bernardo is happy right now. So yun po yung pinaka-clearest na pwede nating makuha out of dun po sa sinabi ni Alden Richards, na sinisigurado niya na si Miss Kathryn Bernardo kahit po dumaan sa pinakamasakit na pangyayari sa buhay niya, dahil binitawan niya na yung almost 12 years na relationship niya, long relationship, natitiyak ni Alden Richards na kasama niya si Kathryn at masaya ang puso ni Kathryn. According po kay Kathryn Bernardo, wala na daw pong balikan, just move forward. Yun po yung ginagawa ngayon ni Miss Kathryn. At according sa ilan sa mga news insiders, na ang laki ng help netong si Alden Richards para sa healing process and moving forward ni Miss Kathryn Bernardo. And yun lang yung pinakamasarap lang pakinggan kay Alden, na he made sure at sinigurado niyang masaya at pinasasaya niya si Kathryn Bernardo habang kasama niya ito sa mga panahong kailangan niya ng kasakasama na magpapasaya sa kanya. So, kayo na po humusga. Ano po ang inyong saloobin patungkol dito? Gimmick lang ba to? Or too good to be true ba to? Or whatever? Comment down below. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone!